Okay, this is part 2. I just got to get the batteries changed. So I get the second part hold about an hour ago. And I can't because the batteries went dead, so I will do it. It's nearly midnight. And still pretty good here. So we're still in a good threat. I do not hear any watches or warnings yet. But I don't know when, because I do not think we probably won't get tornadoes. I know the temperatures are raising, which is ridiculous. With the dew point is about 62 degrees. Can we go watch the warnings? And the tornado watch is about to. The tornado watch is ready to end in the next 7 minutes. So look at the way off. Look right here. Let's go over here. It's quality enough. Somewhere right about here. Storms are severe, so this is gonna be a stormy and scary night. Kids probably gonna wake up, screaming, saying, "Mommy, help! I'm scared." That's what exactly what kids will do in other people's areas, like it happening right now in the state line. So guess what, guys? We got a storm theory we could post. And we still got severe weather on Friday. Maybe severe or not, because it just say it could happen. Because the crest part in the state line of Indiana and Michigan. And okay. We're under a severe thunderstorm watch. And guess what? Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Not good. Special medic warning. And we're under severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for the nearshore waters of Lake Michigan from Michigan City to New Buffalo, New Buffalo to St. Joseph, open waters from Michigan City to St. Joseph until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 10:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms capable of producing wind in excess of 34 knots as well as small hail. These storms were located from 22 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo to 9 nautical miles northwest of Burns Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Mariners can expect gusty wind, locally high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy downpours. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. These storms could produce wind in excess of 34 knots, high waves, heavy rain, and dangerous lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday morning. 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday morning for northern Indiana and southwest Michigan.
So, I don't know. So,
This is no weather.
Okay, so a warning light just came on. The watch was on for like only 4 minutes. Spelled the medic warning and a severe thunderstorm watch. This thing might go off again because of a severe thunderstorm warning. So we're in the nature threat. And a whole town of Great Lakes is under a special medic warning. well, a whole total south side of Great Lakes. So, guess what? Why the yellow box is not showing up? Just not common sense. And there's severe thunderstorm warnings everywhere. Everywhere. But we won't get like a little bit of it. And they got a tornado watch earlier today. Now they got a severe thunderstorm watch. Because tornado watch is ready to expire. The storm chances we're probably going to get is this and this and... I don't even know. Because I see 3 parts of storm videos. And I'm going to say 3 parts of storm videos and maybe 2 or 3 other parts of something else. So it's going to be like 7 parts maybe. Half of it will be storm videos. 3.5 will be storm videos and 3.5 will be forecasts. This is Season 3, Episode 5, everyone. 6 episodes of Season 3 will be on Friday night. And today is a new day. It's Thursday, May the 14th now, so... Again? Here we go again. Now we got another one.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 300, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, or 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien, Casson, St. Joseph, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay.
You're up at 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Just went off 3 more minutes left. Now we're supposed to go off again for a warning. Severe thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm and it's about the medic. It's weird shit. Oh, guess what? We got another episode. It's Friday and Saturday. Vortex 2, baby. I mean... So, I'm gonna watch these storms for late night. Last day of school was on Tuesday, May the 12th. So, I don't need to go back to like... August 8th. So, what time am I supposed to go back? Supposed to go back in the 18th. And I'm gonna be 10th grade. And guess what? I'm gonna be 10th grade this year. Next year, I mean. A big ass watch. It's issued. A big ass watch. Looks like we're in the middle of something, cause these storms will be powerful. Severe weather with dangerous lightning causing power outage. A tornado watch is still issued. So stay tuned for more updates for more severe weather, because the next part, in part 3, will be the storm. Will be Miss. Guess what? These storms are very close to our area right now. So stay tuned for more updates.